Good afternoon. This is Briley Elmore, and this is my data presentation for Rex Elementary, USD 261. I'm going to share 4 pieces of data with you today. First, we will look at our attendance rates compared to the district and state. Next, we will look at our performance level reports for math in 2016 and 2017. Then we will take a look at our performance level reports for ELA. Finally, we will look at our district and state graduation rates. Throughout this presentation, I'll describe our current reality, and then we will discuss our aspirations for continuous school improvement. If you look at the attendance rates from 2017, you'll notice that our building attendance rates increased. The district stayed the same, and the state attendance rates decreased since 2016. You'll also notice that in both years we were above the district rates, but a little below the state, so we have room to improve. We should always aspire to be above district and state averages. Now let's look at our performance level reports for math. As you know, level 1 is below grade level. 2 is emerging, 3 is on grade level, and 4 is above grade level. I want to first point out our building scores in 2017. We made significant gains in math. In 2016, 34.39% of our students scored a 3 or 4. In 2017, 42.85% scored a 3 or 4. That's 8.46% improvement. We also had more students that scored a 3 or 4 than the district and state in 2017. During your next PLC, please discuss with your team what you think contributed to our improvement in math. If we can determine what we did right, we can continue to make progress. We should aspire to score more 3s and 4s every year, so we eventually have more students scoring 3s and 4s rather than 1s and 2s. Now let's look at our performance level reports for ELA. We had 39.49% of our students in 2017 score a 3 or 4. This is progress from our scores in 2016. But it is lower than our math scores. As a result, we know we are stronger in math and need to improve more in reading. So, what can we do? This is also something you can discuss during your next PLC. Please brainstorm ways we can improve our reading curriculum. What is working? What's not working? Please share your thoughts with others so we can discuss this further during our next building in service. I do want to say everyone is doing a great job because we are showing improvement in math and ELA, and we are above district and state percentages in both as well. We should aspire to keep making progress. Lastly, I'd like to share our district graduation rates compared to our state graduation rates. In 2017, 90.5% of the students in our district graduated. This is higher than the state's percentage of 86.9%. This proves we are doing great things in our district and our school, so keep up the good work. For more information, go to ksreportcard.ksde.org. There you can find more data on our school and other comparable schools. Thanks for listening, and have a great day.